how are you? I hope you all are fine. As you know, we cannot attend school due to this coronavirus disease. So we will be taking online classes on this topic. Let me introduce you to our main nurse, Mr. Mrityunjay Khan of SRI RAMAKRISHNA Ashrama Institute. Today our topic is safety measures for COVID-19. Number 1. We should wash our hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds.
Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5.
Point 2. We must sanitize our hands. Point 3. We should always wear a mask while going outside. Please cover your mouth and nose properly with the mask. Point 4. We should avoid close contact with people who are sick. Point 5. We should cover our nose and mouth with handkerchief while coughing or sneezing. Point 6. We must throw used tissues into closed bins after use. Students, please follow these safety measures at home and stay safe. You will get a PDF along with this video. Please learn the matter by heart. Take care, stay safe. Thank you.